Are you ready to take your trading to new heights? Introducing Mugan Markets, the people's FX broker. With access to over 200 plus Forex pairs, including majors, minors, and exotics, as well as exciting opportunities in crypto and spot metals, Mugan Markets offers a world of trading possibilities. Getting started with Forex trading is as simple as only 4-step. Sign up, deposit funds, download our user-friendly trading platform, and start trading. Open a live account to dive into the real market or practice your skills with a demo account to gain confidence before making real trades. Join Mugan Markets, the people's FX broker, and unlock your trading potential. Link given in the description to open your live or demo account. Mugan Markets, where trading dreams become a reality. Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. Today, we're going to introduce the profit earning indicator and learn how to use it in Forex trading. Now, let's discuss how to enter buy and sell trades using this indicator. But before we start, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. So let's start now. When using this indicator for profit-making purposes, it is important to consider the following guidelines. We should only use the signals of this indicator when the market is trending. For example, if the market is moving upwards and the price is near the support level, we should only trade based on buy signals. To manage the risk, we should set the stop loss at the previous low. Additionally, when the price reaches the next resistance level, we should take our profits by closing the trade. Alternatively, we can determine our profit target based on a risk-to-reward ratio of 1:1, meaning we aim to make the same amount of profit as our initial risk. Similarly, when the market is in a downtrend and the price is close to the resistance level, we should only trade based on sell signals. In this case, we should set the stop loss at the previous high. Once the price reaches the next support level, we should close the trade and take our profits. Again, we can use the risk-to-reward ratio of 1:1 as a guideline for determining our profit target. Best work for 30 minutes and 1 hour candle time frame. Best trading time European sessions and New York sessions. This indicator system can be used on all currency pair. Avoid opening new trades during high-impact news events. Let us now see some more perfect buy and sell trade setups of this indicator. Here is perfect buy trade setup because here market is moving upwards and the price is near the support level. Here is perfect buy and sell trade setup because here market is moving upwards, downward, and the price is near the support level and resistance level. When selecting a broker, prioritizing the safety of your funds is crucial. I highly recommend trading with a reputable broker like Mugan Markets to ensure fair and reliable services. To increase your confidence in using the indicator, it is advisable to perform a backtest using historical data. Backtesting allows you to evaluate the indicator's performance under different market conditions. This process provides valuable insights into how the indicator would have performed in the past, helping you make informed trading decisions. Furthermore, practicing with the indicator in a demo trading environment is essential. This allows you to gain familiarity with the indicator's signals and test your trading strategies without risking real money. Demo trading provides a valuable opportunity to refine your skills and build confidence in your trading abilities. Remember to exercise patience when entering and exiting trades, and always adhere to the rules of your trading strategy. Success in Forex trading requires resilience during losses and remaining humble during winning trades. I encourage you to watch the complete video for a comprehensive understanding of how to backtest the indicator and effectively trade with it. This will equip you with the knowledge and skills to utilize the indicator successfully in your trading endeavors. Visit my Telegram channel to free download this indicator, link given in video description. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, AM Trading Tips, for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy trading.